It's almost like 5:37. We are perfectly for the sunset. It's actually difficult than I thought to go down in dark because the whole thing is a bit slippery. Now we can actually see the moon coming up and the sun hasn't set yet.
Hello everyone, I am Jordan. Today I'm going to watch an epic sunset in these Seychelles Islands. But for that, I have to climb a 2,000 feet mountain. And let's go and watch it.
Hey guys, so this is us trying to climb the Mont Blanc Nature Trail before the sun sets on because we are kind of late today and we didn't want to miss it. We actually thought that it might be cloudy today, but fortunately I don't see much clouds. The thing about Mont Blanc Nature Trail, it's located on the Souci road and it's completely marked by the Seychelles National Park Authority. The whole climb is almost 800 meters and it said that it will take 1 hour to go there and listed as hard by the SNPA. But we are trying to push and finish the hike in 30 to 40 minutes so that we'll be able to enjoy the sunset. It's one of the beautiful hikes that you can do in Seychelles, which has a clear path and completely marked. The reason being, you'll be able to see the complete west coast of the island, which is really amazing. Good news, even though my friend is actually like freaking out, still we are almost like conquered 600 meters. There's only 200 meters more for us to go there, and I was told that exactly at this mark there's gonna be a really nice viewpoint somewhere in the middle where you can enjoy the view like halfway, and then from there in few more meters the view is gonna open out. It's gonna be like blowing your mind kind of view, and I think I'm really close to the view, the initial view that I was talking about. I'm gonna show you there. Wow, look at that amazingness. It really is nice. Like, there is actually like low level clouds today, but I have a strong feeling that we're gonna have a really nice sunset today. We actually found like a cave. Like, it's made of the trees. The roots have like formed in a way where you can actually like sit there and meditate. I wish I can do that right now, but we don't have time. We have to run to see the sunset. We are almost there because the place has gotten flat after a lot of steep climbings. So it's almost like 5:37. We are perfectly for the sunset. I think we're gonna enjoy it if there ain't much clouds there. Hey guys, as I told you, we are almost there. It's actually like really wonderful even at this point itself. The mountain views from here, it's absolutely amazing, and I can see that the sun is almost to set because this golden flash of color everywhere in the mountains. So this is it. Ah, wow. All the climb that we did, which is totally worth it to see this amazing view of the sun setting over the islands. We are actually right on time because the sun hasn't set on the horizon yet.
Oh, and relax.
Yeah, and the view is just like phenomenal from here. Like,
So hey guys, and this is the whole view of the southwest coast of the island, and the view actually gets better and better as soon as we turn, and I can see, let me dark it a bit because the sun is too bright. You can see a lot of islands from here, the entire west coast. I can see Consumption Island, I can see Il Terrace, the whole bay where Captainny and Ophelia Resort is there. It looks amazing at this time. And that structure you see over there at the far, it used to be the old British radio station when Seychelles used to be the British colony in the past. It was erected there, and after the British left, it still stands there. It has been decommissioned, it's not working, but the structure is this.
okay, so we actually found like a small piece of rock at the edge of the mountain. Literally, like, I want to show you what's next to me right now. Like, it is so deep. I'm actually like sitting at the edge of this rock to enjoy this amazing sunset which is in front of me, and I'll show you the whole view where this is where the way I'm sitting right here, and the sunset looks amazing. And it's actually like the spot is exciting and dangerous at the same time. Right now we can actually see the moon coming up and the sun hasn't set yet. The scenery is like absolutely amazing. I wish I can capture both of them and then show it to you guys, but I'm gonna try anyway. Hey guys, the sunset went really nice, and it's almost like really dark in the forest now. This is the most interesting part of actually like finding the way in the forest. Even though the whole trail has been marked, it's a bit difficult to actually walk back in the dark using your cell phone lights, and it's actually interesting, you know, like when it's the dark, the nightlife comes in, you hear insects, birds, your vision is a bit limited. I think like we are like 50% to 60% completed, but it's actually difficult than I thought to go down in dark because the whole thing is a bit slippery here and there with roots and rocks. You have to be really careful. But as I told you before, it's a very interesting experience, actually, like watching a very nice sunset, then like coming up in pitch dark. I don't know if you can hear in the video that I'm recording the noise in the forest of the insects. Like they are just everywhere. It's like they have this own music. They turn it on as soon as it hits pitch dark. Hey guys, we are done with the hike, and I came back in one piece safely. It was a really nice experience. Like that's one of epic sunsets I've actually watched in Seychelles Island from the top of a mountain. It was seriously amazing, and coming back in the dark, experiencing the whole forest, it was very interesting and curious, like which I've never done before. So ultimately it was an amazing experience. And that's all for today. See you guys in another interesting video of Seychelles. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do a sub. It's gonna motivate me a lot. And this is Jordan signing off. See you guys next time.